Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use the Amazon Flex app for delivery in UK. Alright, so let's begin. First, open up your web browser and search for Use Amazon Flex app in UK. Here, as you can see, Amazon Flex UK official website gives you the whole process to understand that how you can use this app in UK. So first, reserve a block. Once you've downloaded the app, set up your account and passed a background check, you can look for delivery driving opportunities that are convenient for you. Open the Amazon Flex app to search for available delivery blocks in your area. With every offer, you'll see your expected earnings asterisk and how long we estimate your block is likely to take you to complete. Next, make deliveries. The day of your block, head to your designated Amazon location as directed in the app. This could be an Amazon depot, warehouse, or a supermarket where you will pick up parcels or groceries and fresh food for delivery. Then, using the Amazon Flex app as guidance, navigate to each destination and deliver parcels and smiles wherever you go. They understand that sometimes you want to accept an offer, but you're unsure whether you can make it. Delivering with Flex offers the freedom and flexibility to substitute blocks to someone you know who meets the eligibility requirements, even if they are not already registered with Amazon Flex. Lastly, earn extra money and enjoy life. Once your deliveries are complete, there's nothing else for you to do but get paid for your delivery services. As a self-employed delivery driver, you will get paid by Amazon Flex via direct deposit once a week, which you can track in the earnings section within the Amazon Flex app. So that's basically how you can use the Amazon Flex app for delivery in UK. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.